It's been fabulous to come to Chicago because I came from New York State, and I have met so many different people throughout the various sessions to make wonderful connections. And what's really neat is I've had so many great conversations, and it's our ideas that we've been able to exchange have just flowed so easily. And it's been wonderful just to connect with people who are having some similar experiences on their campus, but also share their love of just higher education like myself.
The conference has been great. It's been really fun to interact with people and hear different challenges they're facing at their institutions, different ways that they're approaching galvanizing community.
This has been an extraordinary time so far. I mean, the range of topics. It's my first time being at an HXA event like this, and to hear all the different perspectives, yet coming together with this common principle of, the three principles of HXA. It's refreshing, it's reassuring, and I think coming away from this conference, I feel much more hopeful. I really mean that. It's been so wonderful meeting all the people here, all the faces I've been wanting to meet. So yeah, I just feel much more positive after this event, yeah.